So what Imam Ghazali rahmatullah alayhi said, that the nafs and your desires, they should come under the influence of intellect, aql, because wisdom. So the nafs should be ruled by the intellect, the aql, the wisdom, and the wisdom and the intellect should be under the influence of Sharia. So a good order. Firstly, this your nafs, because it is dumb, it is cannot see, it cannot hear, it cannot think. So it is like a dumb animal. It will just wander off here, wander off there, like ox and cows. Wherever it is hungry, it will eat. Wherever it needs to go to toilet or it needs to relieve itself, it will relieve. It does not have any mind at all. So your mind is given, intellect is given to you. So you should bring that nafs under the intellect. People use the intellect. When they see any person going and that person have a good mobile phone, their nafs says, I want that as well. But it is their intellect which says, it's not mine. It's not mine, I should not go abroad. And those people who lose intellect and who become psychopaths, as they say, these people completely, their intellects are gone. So basically they say, if they go into a shop, if a person like this, they go into a shop and he picks up, let's say he likes chocolate, he picks up a chocolate, without paying he will go out. As he is going out, if anyone tries to stop him, he might kill him, he might hit him. Why? According to the view of the person, that person's view, I want this thing, I like this thing, why this person is stopping? He does not have the mind to think that no, I shouldn't do it. That's why they have psychological problems, they say. So similarly, people who delve deeply into this worldly life and they don't bring their nafs and their desire under the control of intellect, then they also behave very foolishly. They behave very foolishly and end up in fire of hell and in the pit of qabr and barzakh, and they're punished very severely. And then their nafs is again screaming there, oh, I am very, very upset and I am being hurt. Because the nafs do not have any. If it is hurt, it will scream. So in order to save this nafs and your ruh as well, use this intellect. And using intellect, what are the parameters of it? Under the divine revelation, guidance, Sharia, what Allah's commands, bring it underneath. And then inshallah everything will be in order. So you should be the master, not the nafs.